Hello everyone, my name is Hendri I am from IEMBA 12. I would like to present my thesis, Critical Success Factor Analysis of Lean Six Sigma Implementation in PT-SPV. This is the content of the presentation. We will start with the background and then continue with the problem statement, research question and research objective. And then we will be talking about Lean Six Sigma and stakeholders, critical success factor of Lean Six Sigma, and about the analytical hierarchy process methodology. Then we continue with data collection and data processing. And this presentation will be closed by the research results and the summary. So the study is in a PT South Pacific Viscose, or we know as a PT-SPV. This is the producer of viscose staple fibers and sodium sulfate, and this is a subsidiary of Lansing Group Austria. So PT-SPV faced the problem because the productivity and quality trend is continuously decreased in the recent years. And that's why the management then launched the Lean Six Sigma program to anticipate that declining performance. The program is launched in 2021. So it is has been running for 2 years, but actually there is no study that's suggesting whether the program is in the right direction or not. So from that situation, we constructed the problem statement in here, that it is critical for the management of PT-SPV to understand the critical success factor of Lean Six Sigma program to ensure that that program is running continuously and even gain more benefit. And based on this problem statement, then we, the research question was developed. The first is, what is the priority rank of the critical success factor when implementing a Lean Six Sigma program from the stakeholders' point of view? And the second is, what is the suggested solution to help PT-SPV improving the top 3 of critical success factors of Lean Six Sigma program? This is aligned with the research objective, which the first is aim to know the priority rank of the critical success factors of Lean Six Sigma. And the second is to propose the solution ideas to improve the top 3 of critical success factors of Lean Six Sigma program. Lean Six Sigma itself is the integration of Lean and Six Sigma methodology. Lean is the methodology that focuses in waste elimination, and Six Sigma is the well-known methodology based on the statistical approach to reduce the process variability within the organization. Some study on the critical success factor of Lean Six Sigma program can be seen in this table. And from this table, then we developed 10 criteria to be analyzed in this research. The analysis is based on the opinion or feedback from stakeholders that typically in the organization that implementing Lean Six Sigma program, stakeholders consist of master black belt, green belt, process owner, project sponsor, and financial controller. Then the data that we have from the feedback from stakeholders, then analyze with the analytical hierarchy process methodology. this is the problem-solving methodology that breaking down the complex and unstructured issue into some part in hierarchy structure. And for the step, we can see from this flow chart, start from problem identification and define goal until the end is the rank, the weighted score, and finalize the priority. For the research of LSS critical success factors in PT-SPV, we developed the hierarchy as follow. So for the objective is to know the critical success factor of LSS program, and this is the one that analyzed that CSF come from the stakeholder in PT-SPV. And in the bottom is the criteria that we selected from the previous study, and we add in here two factors from internal SPV. So the data collection is based on the fairway square comparison questionnaire that are filled by the stakeholders. And then from that questionnaire, we process the data with the computation methodology of ASP. So we can see in here, then we have the result of the data processing. And this is the result of the priority rank of critical success factor of LSS program in PT-SPV. If we look into the first three is about linking Lean Six Sigma to business strategy, and then linking Lean Six Sigma to reward system. And the third critical success factor of Lean Six Sigma is about top management commitment. Then we ask to the main stakeholder in SPV what the action need to be done to address that three factors, and this is the result. They propose the first to address the linking Lean Six Sigma to business strategy, that PT-SPV need to put Lean Six Sigma program in the short, medium, and long-term strategy of the organization. And then to linking Lean Six Sigma to reward system, PT-SPV need to develop the reward system and really allocate a certain value of the budget. Of course, it's based on some criteria that agreed by the management and also the head stakeholders. And then for the top management commitment, the respondent proposed the first is to put the budget allocation for Lean Six Sigma program as the form of the top management commitment, and also management need to develop the walk the talk culture and develop the communication channel, and top management need to be involved in the LSS process. So not only asking about the LSS result. So this is the result of the research from my thesis. Thank you very much for your attention.